Most of the people are started to doing PhD in English vocabulary. Do you think doing PhD in vocabulary will help you to speaking? No, friends. Vocabulary is important, but not more than speaking. Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Monica. Today, I will tell you why you need vocabulary and what is more important, doing PhD in vocabulary or speaking. So, friends, most of the people are starting to practicing in English, but they are starting to increase their vocabulary. Do you think it will help you? Yes or no? Comment in the comment. Let I will tell you. Vocabulary is important, but you think that you will do a PhD in vocabulary, then you will start to practicing speaking in English. That will not help you to improve your speaking English. You have to be start speaking in English on the first day. It will help you to be speak in front of the people. Most of the people started to increase their vocabulary, but they not is practicing for speaking part. In that way, it will you will not improve your speaking part. If you want to be improve your English, speaking English, then you have to be do both. Just stop doing PhD. Don't focus on the increasing learning vocabulary until you have not utilizing it. You have to be do both. So if you are learning some vocabulary, just speak it in your daily words. That will help you to remember the words. I will tell you, when I started to speak in English, I started with simple words. It will help me to speak. I am not learning some hard vocabulary or complex words to speak. I just started to speak in English in simple words. It will help me to being confident. In day after some time, I have started to work on my vocabulary as well, because if vocabulary is not good, then you will fumble. So you have to be start both, but for you have to be simultaneously start both things, vocabulary plus speaking. If you are only focusing on improving your vocabulary, then it will not help you. Let's suppose you have learned 10 words today, but you have not practicing it on your daily basis. Do you think that it will help you? No, because next day you will forget that words. So you have to be use words on daily basis for speaking. It doesn't matter you have speaking wrong vocabulary, wrong words, but at least you have to speak. Most of the people have a good vocabulary, but still they are not able to speak because they have not practicing for speaking. They are good in learning English, they are good in vocabulary, they have good understanding of grammar, but still not able to speak because they are afraid to be speak in front of the people. So you have to be do speaking practices first. In some day or after speaking practices, you have to increase your vocabulary as well, because if vocabulary is not good, then you have to be humble, you have to remember the words. So do both things, increase your vocabulary plus you have to be focused on speaking parts. If you are not focusing on speaking part, then you will not improve your speaking skills. And speaking skills is most important in nowadays, because if you are going to interview, you are going with your friends, your colleagues, so you have to be speaking English. People easily say Hindi, we can speak in Hindi, but when you are your colleagues, your teammates, if or they are speaking in Hindi, you will feel just that if I will able to speak in English, then I will also talk with them. So you have to be good in English speaking. You have to be improve your English if you want to be communicate with your colleagues, your teammates in English. You have to be focused on that. So you have to be practice both. increase your vocabulary plus speaking skills. Bye bye. Meet you in next video.